In this video, we will show you how to get your pulse oximeter reading and monitor your heart rate, respiration, and other health data using your Garmin watch. We will also show you how to pair your Venu Sq smartwatch with Garmin Connect, and how to view your health data on the watch, or in Garmin Connect. Begin by pressing the upper right button to turn on the watch. Choose a language. Select checkmark and follow the on-screen instructions to pair. To download Garmin Connect mobile app, go to Google Play or App Store on your phone. Search Garmin Connect and download it. We will use iPhone in this video. Android devices share a similar process. After installation, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new Garmin account. Once you log in Garmin Connect, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Now, let's take a look at your watch. Before measuring, make sure that the watch is worn above the wrist bone and touches your skin firmly, so that the watch can get a most accurate pulse oximeter reading. To get a pulse oximeter reading, go to the Pulse Ox widget. If you can't find the Pulse Ox widget in your widget list, follow the steps below to add it. From the home page, hold the lower button to enter the setup menu. Swipe up and select the gear icon. Select Widgets. Swipe up and select Add More. Swipe up and select Pulse Ox. Hold the lower button to go back to the home page. Swipe up or down to find the Pulse Ox widget. And then you can start measuring your blood oxygen level. During measuring, keep still for 60 seconds. Place your arm comfortably at the same height as your heart. Let the watch measure your blood oxygen level. After measuring, tap to view more detailed data. Take pulse oximeter for example. After measuring, you can view your pulse oximeter reading and the graph of SpO2 and heart rate for the past 4 hours. If you want your watch to track your blood oxygen level all day, hold the lower button at the Pulse Ox widget page and select Settings. Select Tracking Mode. If you want an all-day long SpO2 tracking, set it to All Day. In the widget list, find the Health Stats widget. You can view your heart rate, stress level, body battery, respiration, and more. If you want to view your health data on Garmin Connect, select More in the lower right corner. For Android, select the 3 bars icon in the upper left corner. Select Health and Performance. Select the health data you want to view, and then you can view every day's detailed data. Remember to track and view your SpO2 trend every day continuously. If your blood oxygen level drops sharply, or your breathing rate in a resting state is significantly higher than the usual data, we suggest consulting a doctor as soon as possible. And that's it. Thanks for watching.